Hey creators, ever wondered how much money you can make from YouTube Shorts and how to actually get paid for those 15-second bangers? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how YouTube Shorts monetization works in 2025, with real-world examples, earnings breakdowns, and how you can start making money even if you're starting from zero. Let's go! Back in 2021 and 2022, Shorts didn't have traditional monetization, but that all changed in 2023. When YouTube launched the YouTube Partner Program for Shorts. To earn from Shorts, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million public Shorts views in the last 90 days. If you meet those numbers, you're eligible to join the YouTube Partner Program. And here's where it gets interesting. Ad revenue is shared. YouTube pulls ads shown in Shorts feed, deducts music licensing costs if music is used, then splits the rest between YouTube and creators. As of 2025, 45% of ad revenue goes to creators. Your cut is based on your share of total views in the Shorts pool. Let's say in the 1st of March, 0 million Shorts views are monetized across all creators, and you got 2 million of those views. That's 2% of the pie. Total revenue in Shorts pool, $1 million. Your share. 2% equals $20,000. After YouTube's 55% cut to, you get $9,000. Of course, this is simplified. Real payouts vary based on ad demand, country, and your audience, but it gives you a rough idea of what's possible. Monetization isn't just about ad revenue. Shorts can help you build multiple income streams. Affiliate marketing. Add links in pinned comments or video descriptions. Example, promote a fitness product in a workout short. Product sales. Sell merch, digital products, or templates. Example, creators selling LUTs or Notion templates. Channel growth. Use Shorts to grow your main channel. More subscribers equals more earnings from long-form content. Brand deals, sponsorships. Companies are paying creators directly for Kind's trend second spots. Even micro-influencers, Dix K Jaan, subs are landing deals. Here's how you can boost your Shorts revenue starting today. Use music strategically. If you use commercial music, YouTube pays less. Try using original audio or royalty-free tracks. Post frequently and stay consistent. More uploads equals more views equals more chance to hit the Shorts pool. Analyze what works. Use YouTube Analytics to find high-performing topics. Look at retention rates, Connecticut R, click-through rate, and engagement. Make Shorts that lead somewhere. End with a CTA. Watch the full video or check the link in comments. Cross-promote longer videos or other platforms. Let's put this into action. Here's your Shorts monetization checklist for 2025. Post at least 3 Shorts per week. Aim for high retention. Keep people watching till the end. Add clear calls to action. Mix original audio to maximize earnings. Focus on growing subscribers. Aim for 1,000 fast. Check your analytics weekly. And there you have it. YouTube Shorts are no longer just for fun. They're a real moneymaker if you use them smartly. Want to go viral faster? Recycle high-performing TikToks or Reels into Shorts? Just remove the watermark. Smash that like button if this helped. Drop your questions below. And don't forget to subscribe for more creator money hacks. Until next time, keep creating.